We're at East Twin Creek near Arrowhead Springs, right near San Bernardino, California, at the base of the San Bernardino Mountains. This is a streamflow site that's been here since about 1919. After the fires in 2003, the floods in 2004, the Christmas Day event of '03 buried the shelter in rock and mud and logs up almost to the roof. You can see evidence further up the canyon where these debris flows have happened in the recent geologic past. You can see the angular boulders all mixed up with large boulders on top, small boulders on the bottom, which is just the reverse of river run sedimentation transport. Our big concern now, this area has had 4 years for the vegetation to recover, but with the recent firestorm out here, we're also doing a lot of work in the recently burned areas, beefing up gauging stations, installing rain gauges and webcams to get a video record of what is likely going to happen when and if heavy rains do occur.